Are you adapting something of Julia's, or is this just
I'm not
your
allowed
creation?
to. No, wait. I don't dare to change Julia's recipe. Don't jinx it. Basically, but even with her recipes, right? And again, they were written a long time ago. But they're incredible because they're small gems. So we take beautiful sort of carrots, onion, a little bit of thyme. I'm just going to saute them. And guess what? We have these beautiful, they're already sauteed here. Just this way of, you know, this perfectly cut vegetables. It doesn't matter if they're not cut perfect.
Carrots, onions, what's the green part?
Celery. Just old school, stuffing it. And it reminds me so much what I learned from my grandmother, right?
Yes, I was just going to say, my grandpa cooks like this.
Exactly.
You know, that's one of the vehicles, the conduit that food is. It
Yes.
binds generations.
Everybody.
Yeah, and the world. It brings us together, you know?
And this does enhance, it really changes how this cooks and how it's eaten. So we have these beautiful carrots as well, right? So again, the theme was carrots. Like, here's how you start the chicken. Lots of salt, lots of pepper on top of it. Carrots is the theme that goes through the whole thing, right? Just like this. And the roasted chicken, you roast it around 425 for about an hour and 15. Baste it continuously, so it's really nice and beautiful. We got
You get that really, like, pretty, like this guy. This one's
Yes.
resting over here. It gets that, almost looks like you sent it to the spa and got it painted.
To the spa. That's what we did.
Yeah.
I love that. You explained, actually, in the segment before, something that most home cooks makes mistakes with, right?
Don't
it's
let
the
it
resting
rest,
part. It's
exactly.
the resting part. And then if a steak, let's say it's 10 minutes to rest the steak, a roasted chicken, you want to let it rest at least half an hour, right? Doesn't mean that the chicken's going to get cold, but, you know, it just means that the juices, it's going to be absolutely amazing. Just not going to be on the cutting board.
This is the way I grew up. Everything rests.
But look at this. Like, look at the skin. It's so crispy and juicy.
It's so
and
beautiful.
That's everything. That's what you want.
Just beautiful.
I know you guys ate a lot of food, gal, but, you know.
Oh, they're hungry.
No, we've been
Yeah.
waiting for your
I
chicken.
think
yeah.
that it's
Because we
okay,
save
Marcus.
room.
You're going to be okay here. You're going to be okay here.
Save room.
But things like this, and this is what that recipe gives us, right? It gives us this incredible sort of
So
small
pretty and simple.
and delicious.
Oh,
So,
so pretty and simple. Just gorgeous.
and even for me, you know,
Oh, just the fragrance. Just, it's just, oh. Thank you, of course, so
tender.
much to Chef for coming by
Very
and always
tender.
making time for us. His new show, Top Chef Family Style, is on Peacock. The documentary, the first icon in food TV, Julia, is premiering in theaters in New York City and Los Angeles
Right.
November 12th, and then nationwide after that.